Good morning, Ma'am IP. This is my report. Let's start with the subdiscipline of philosophy that specially studies the moral relationship of human beings with that of nature. Environmental ethics. Has become a trend in philosophy when there was a question about organizing beauty of beauty in the human person perspective. It is not just the beauty of existence, but more importantly, the beauty and order of the universe. Even before the contemporary philosopher dig into these concepts, ancient philosopher already believed that the environment coexists with the human person. Coexist, Coexistence entails co-equal in sense, but with a certain degree. On the other hand, environmental ethics is like thinking about how we should treat nature stuff. It is understanding that plants, animals, and the environment are important and we need to be nice to them. So it is like being to good earth and not doing things that harm it. According to Vincent's instrumental ethics emerge as problems in nature occur. These problems have been shaping the minds of every philosophers as they give profound solution to this kind of problem. To address such ideologies and philosophies, we have to be aware of the three environmental problems that our generation created. One, constant use of natural resources that may lead to depletion. Two, destructions of environment due to progress that eventually creates pollutions. Three, possibilities of cataclysm as a result of ozone depletion, acid rain, ethic. These generation problems are the main source of environmental problem in our world today. These are all, these are all created by man himself. We are the culprit of use, destruction, and constant depletion of our natural resources. Knowing this problem, let us ask ourselves, how are we going to extend ourselves? First, First response to extend our help as common reaction every human being immediate solution, taking care. But for contemporary philosopher, we must first be acknowledged of our perspective before we act upon the situation. Environmental ethics is one way to collectively act as wise as we could to save the earth. In this subdiscipline, it was as to have a moral relationship with nature. This moral concept must be placed in front of our eyes, seeing the revealed value of nature to man. This concept is all about moral consideration. When you say moral consideration, according to Aldo Leopold, it is about preserving the integrity, ability, and beauty of the environment. This moral consideration is underneath every being, human or non-human, but bear in mind that there is a certain degree of moral consideration to be given to every creature, and this concept depends on. When we say integrity is your action with regards to the environments, to our need to value environments because it will benefits us. Then stability is like, for example, the ocean, it is the most unstable ecosystem. It is stable though it is natural liquid nature. Lastly, beautiful of environment, a source of inspiration, solace, and wonder, reminding of us the intrinsic value of nature and our responsibility to protect it. The instinct value, it is the inherent worth itself. Prevention of life is an example of having this value, something that we value within. Intrinsic value is like the value something has just because it is exists is like saying that something important or special in itself without needing any other reason. For example, animals nature have intrinsic value because they're available just because they are alive in part of the world. Instrumental value. It is considered as means towards an end or something that has a certain purpose. Each creature has its own purpose in nature. Instrumental value on the other hand, it is more like value something as because it helps us do stuff or achieve goals. It like saying that something is valuable because it is useful to us in some way, like how the trees provide oxygen in order for us to breathe and protect us from landslides. So instrumental value, it is how things are helpful and beneficial to us. Ito lang ma'am, thank you.